Hi, my name is Fahad, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the social planner to post reels to your Facebook account using Go High Level. So let's have a look. First of all, you need to go to the marketing section on the left menu bar. You need to make sure that your Facebook account is connected. And if you don't have that connected, you can click right here, and then you will see this option that says you can add your account. You can click on the add account button, and it will give you the option to click here on this on the Facebook icon, and then you will be able to choose the Facebook account, and then you can choose the Facebook page that you want to connect. So let's go through these steps. Okay, so now you can see that it's giving me this page that I want to add here. I will click add, and now that's connected, and that's it. That's all that I need to do. And now you can see that the connected social media account is right there. Please made it stack 0. Okay, so the next step to post a reel to your Facebook account is you can click on the new post button, create a new post, and then you need to select your Facebook account from here. And if you click here, you can see that option for Facebook. Let's choose that. And now you need to make sure that you choose the reel option here. And in here, we can write something, some content. This is a demo. And then now you can click on this video icon button to choose the video that you want upload. So I will click here, and I already have that video uploaded. So that's it. There it is. And now it's being uploaded, and this is how it looks. So after that, you can see the follow-up comment option. This is a very good feature to share any kind of link right in the first comment of the reel that you post. So you can, if you have any links that you want to share, you can do that here. And in the advanced options, you can choose a category or search for the tags as well. So right now, I'm going to leave that as it is. The next thing that you need to do is you need to click on the post button, or you can schedule the post if you want to. So I will be clicking on the post now button. And that's it. You can see that the post is in progress. So it will be posted very shortly.